A very bright good morning to all of you. Today, my friend Nidhi has done me a huge favor. I usually go last, right before lunch or right before dinner. You know, people are not very happy to hear me listen. They want to be, next to the food. Luckily today, I am starting off this event. I'm sure all of you are well caffeinated and fully energized for a good day of learning and a good day of collaboration. So can I have a round of applause for our esteemed dignitaries, please? So, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed dignitaries, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to today's forum, which is Excellence in Motion, Redefining the Future of Logistics in India. As you all know, logistics is no more merely a support function of the economy. I would say it is now the backbone of the economy. It is what the entire supply chain, the entire production powerhouse of our country now depends. And it has emerged as a strategic enabler for economic growth, for our global competitiveness, our industrial development, and for our trade expansions. As we target becoming a $5 trillion economy and realize the vision of Viksit Bharat by our centenary year, which is 2047, I think logistics will play a key enabling role in shaping the nation's growth trajectory. Without logistics, I dare say, our dreams will not be fulfilled. Over the past decade, India has made remarkable progress in transforming its logistics ecosystem. Today, India's logistics market is estimated to exceed already USD 380 billion and is projected to grow significantly in the coming years, driven by manufacturing expansion, e-commerce growth, infrastructure investments, and increasing integration into the global value chains. The transformation, I'm sure, is already visible to all of you. India's ranking in the World Bank Logistics Performance Index has substantially improved over the past decade, and from a 54th position in 2014, we are now at 38, and I dare say that we should be in the top 25, if you ask me. Major infrastructure initiatives have been done by the government, which includes the DFCs, both the east and the west. The dedicated freight corridors are now working. The freight corridor coming into JNPT, which has stalled at Varnama, has now been completed as of 31st of March 2026. So now you can move goods from north to west to JNPT and from north to east all the way to Calcutta. And this dedicated freight corridor actually cuts down on transit times dramatically. At most places it is now faster than road, and given the scale of economies, I think it is a huge enabler for our country. The work on the east to west corridors has already started, and once that is also completed, I think we will see dramatic transformation of our multimodal supply chain, which is part of what my company does at Western Carriers. We are the leaders in multimodal supply chain in the country, and so we see that as a huge enabler, not only for us as a company, but for our country as well.